Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. Here are some useful phrases and sentences that students studying English as a second language can use in various business situations. Emails. Opening. Dear, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to inform you about body. Please find attached the report for. Could you please provide me with? I would appreciate your feedback on. Thank you for your prompt response. Closing. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Looking forward to your reply. Best regards, sincerely. Reports. Introduction. The purpose of this report This report aims to analyze body. According to the data, we can see that it is evident from the findings that, furthermore, the analysis indicates conclusion. In conclusion, it is recommended that, based on the findings, we suggest. The results of this report highlight the need for meetings. Starting a meeting. Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Let's get started. The purpose of today's meeting is to discuss. During the meeting, could you clarify that point? I agree with what's said about. Let's move on to the next item on the agenda. Ending a meeting. To summarize, we have decided to thank you all for your contributions. Our next meeting will be on. Negotiation skills. Starting negotiations. Let's discuss the terms of our agreement. Bargaining. We are willing to offer. Can we reach a compromise on? That seems fair, but we would need closing the deal. I think we have a deal. Let's finalize the agreement. Thank you for reaching an agreement with us. Marketing and sales terminology. Marketing, our target market for this product is, the marketing strategy includes, we need to increase our brand awareness. Sales, our sales figures for this quarter are, the sales team needs to focus on, we aim to achieve a sales target of. Financial English is a crucial area of business communication. Let's delve into some essential terms and statements. Financial statements. The balance sheet shows our financial performance this year has been. The profit and loss statement indicates. Now, moving on to budgeting. We need to allocate funds for. The budget for this project is, we must ensure we stay within budget. Effective customer service communication is key to maintaining good business relationships. Here's how you might interact in various scenarios. Greeting customers. Hello, how can I assist you today? Thank you for calling. How may I help you? And when handling complaints, I apologize for the inconvenience. We will resolve this issue as soon as possible. Let me check that for you. Lastly, providing information. You can find more details on our website. I will send you an email with the information. Our business hours are from to time. Mastering general business phrases can greatly enhance your communication skills. Here are some examples. Expressing opinions. In my opinion, I believe that, it seems to me that. Asking for clarification. Could you explain that again? I am not sure I understand. Could you clarify? What do you mean by? And when agreeing and disagreeing, I agree with you. I see your point, but I am not sure I agree with that. These phrases and sentences cover a wide range of business situations and can help students communicate more effectively in a professional setting. Speak English, learn English. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.